Hi everyone, hope all are good. So in this tutorial, I am going to show you the Web3 forms, how to connect in your HTML form. Okay, so I don't have any HTML form right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ChatGPT and ask for a form. So let me create a form at first. So ChatGPT make a form with this type of inputs. Okay, so with name, uh, mail ID. Okay, next we can do mobile number, that comma, we can do something like a message. Okay, and submit and reset button. Okay, so make a form with name, mail ID, mobile number, message, and a submit and reset button. So it will create a form just like in few seconds. So I'm going to add little bit of CSS also. By the way, I'm doing it in CSS. Okay, so let's see what ChatGPT will give us as a form. So it's doing good. So let's see what happens. And our main task to Web3 forms. There is a website called Web3 Forms. You can love it. We'll use that particular access key. So create your access key. Here you have to just give your email ID. So here I'm just copy it and giving this email ID and create your access key. Okay. So successfully it is created. So now if you go down, there is a demo version. You can see what are the criteria you have to choose and you have to perform here. Okay, so there is a HTML, JavaScript, React, and more. So I'm going to use the HTML part only. So there is something you have to add the access key. So this is your code. So we will take a look. This is for pretty pro version. I'm not going to use. So I'm going to create a new folder. Oh, sorry, a new folder from. So going to this particular folder because I am doing well screen using well screen right now, so that's why it will take time. So okay, no issue. I'm just it will open in my second screen. So this is the screen, and from here I have to create index.html. So it's already done. So I have already copied the code. So again I'm create index.html, paste it. Okay, so little bit CSS he had added over here. Now check. So what? So wait, I'm just giving you a view. So ChatGPT had created this type of form: contact us, mail, email ID, mobile number, and message, and submit and reset. That's pretty good. Okay, no issue for me itself. Next, we have to go to there, and pretty good. I'm not going to say anything. Now we have to create something over there, and I have to give it to there. And just a minute. So first of all, we have to create something that in ChatGPT I have not given the prompt to write that particular thing. I have to write it by my own. So first thing first, that in form there is an attribute action. So first is action, second is method. Okay, and that's I think enough. There is no other attribute right now, and there is something I have to add, which is that particular input. Okay, so we are this input. So copy it, and you can see that successfully. Please check your email for this access key. Go to your email. There is a Web3 form mail ID. Thank you for using Web3. This is a public key. This is your public key. I'm going to delete after that. This the tutorial will be uploaded in the YouTube, and I will delete this key for myself. And there we have to paste the key. This type is hidden. Name is access key, and the value where we have to put this value. Okay, so where we have to get this value, this is your value. So copy it and paste over there. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, now save that file, and there is pretty good. I think there is nothing to do. Okay, so that is the main criteria right now. So we have to go to the, where is the my, yes, that is create a contact form. Okay, this is my form, and this is the link. We have to copy it, and I have to paste over here. And method, obviously there is post. If you know the backend, you know what is post and get method. This is not the tutorial for making clear this post and get, but if you want, just comment down below. I will definitely try to give a tutorial about that method and all that stuff. Okay, so this is something I have done. Now let's check whether it's okay or not. Just reload it, and I'm just giving some random value, something abc at the rate gmail.com. Sorry, this is not going to write like that. Like, we're getting error, gmail.com. So something like that. I'm just giving random some number and some random text. If I submit, that form submit successfully, thank you, this form has been submitted successfully, we will reply to you soon, go back. So this is come, and this is pretty good. I think this is for this API is doing absolutely great work. So in this email box, you get a notification that new form submission, a new form has been submitted on your website. Details below. So Apurva Sarkar, this is your email ID. This is something mobile number, and this is a random text which you will get. Okay, so this is very simple API creation, and it is connected to your HTML form. Okay, so what is API? So you can check what is API. So application program interfaces. This is the full form of API, and what is basically if I talk in a simple way, that API basically the connector between, if I talk about the databases and something, the application. So this is basically a connector. From the application, it get the query, and that will be help connect with the database, and that will fetch the data and show to the your site or application, whatever you can say. So API stands for Application Programming Interface. It is a set of rules and protocol allow different software application to communicate with each other. So basically, there is an database application, there is an front-end application. So using API, we can connect. Okay, so there is already written that APIs are the bridge that enable software system internet and exchange data in structure in secure manner. This is something you can read over there. There is a long structure. Okay, APIs, their APIs, how is work. The whole thing here is explained very good. So you can check that. Okay. So this is how you can submit your form, and I'm just going to showcase a simple diagram. So this is current my CV, and you can uh, also add, and this is already deployed. I'm in a machine. I have used this code. I have created that code. I have copy paste something. Some codes are copy paste over here, and now I'm going to show you the actual part. Okay, just give me a minute. So this is, I think I have the link. Where it is? The link is, I think in my GitHub there is the link. I hope the link will github.com. So this is, I have to sign up. Okay, it's going to this site. No, this is not here. I think I have launched there in this. This is my site. Okay. So I'll just copy the link, and I will go back, and it will open in a different browser. This is the local file, and this is basically the uploaded file in Netlify. So if I go this way, something, so I'm just giving some random value. I'm just send it. So this is also done. Okay, this is also working the uploaded sites. You can use, no issue. Okay, so this how it is worked. And if you want to check that mail has been come in the email ID or Gmail successfully, you can check. Just check it for the clarification notification. So this is how you can check your account. Okay, so this is the process to connect the Web3 API to your HTML form, and you can create that easily. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this session and create for your own HTML form and connect your APIs with the help of Web3 API. So this is the website you can check and Web3 Forms. Okay, so goodbye.